Hey guys, Sinister with the Drone Network here, and today we have another episode of What's in the Package. This is for Jack. I bought this from my good friend Michael, Night Train. Thanks again, brother. And Jack, this is for you, buddy, so I'll let you go ahead and get it in the package there. Be careful, do not cut yourself. What do you think it is?
A mini racing drone or something?
No. Remember what I said about cutting away from you? Okay, let's see if you can get into it. Can you get into it yet?
What the heck?
Oh.
Nope, I can't get it. Oh, I see it.
Sure you can. Cut that open. Slice slowly. Slowly. Okay. Okay, hang on. Flip the box back over now. Okay. Let me see if I get your face a little bit. Don't mind the mess. Our garage is a wreck.
What is this for?
What is that? What is it? Show.
It's a Flysky FS-16 controller.
Wow, look at that.
Thank you.
It's got the gimbal protectors. What do you think? So what do you think that's for? No clue, huh? We can bind it to all sorts of stuff there.
The mini drone?
Maybe. Let's see, you got batteries in it or no? Oh, no, we gotta put batteries in it. So, yeah. Well, very cool. Thank you, Night Train. I reached out in the community to try to see if anybody had an extra Flysky sitting around. And I was told to reach out to Night Train, and I did, and he just happened to have one he was willing to let go of. So, I bought this off of him. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We're going to see what this is for. Catch you guys later. Thanks for tuning in.